5 ways you can maintain your flat roof yourself, coming up next.
Number 5, apply a flat roof protective coating. Consider applying a protective coating to your flat roof. There are various coatings available, such as elastomeric coatings, that can provide an additional layer of protection against UV rays and water damage. Number 4, seal and caulk. Check for any gaps, cracks, or areas where the roofing material may be lifting. Use appropriate sealants or caulking materials to fill these gaps and prevent water infiltration. Pay attention to areas around vents, chimneys, and other roof penetrations. Number 3, clean gutters and drains. Ensure that gutters and drains are clear of debris and functioning properly. Clogged gutters can prevent proper water drainage, leading to ponding on the roof. Use a gutter scoop or hose to remove any leaves or sediment that may have accumulated in the gutters. Number 2, clear debris. Keep the roof surface clean by regularly removing debris. Use a broom or leaf blower to clear leaves, twigs, and other junk that can accumulate on the roof. Accumulated debris can block drainage systems and lead to water pooling, which may cause damage over time. Number 1, regular inspections. Conduct regular visual inspections on your flat roof. Look for signs of damage such as cracks, blistering, or punctures. Check for any debris like leaves or branches, which can lead to water pooling and drainage issues. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for videos just like this one.